is the central elevator at the University of Wisconsin-Madison Memoiral Union. Another ThyssenKrupp here. Oh, doesn't seem like it serves a third floor. That's interesting. There it is. It's probably another mod B54. Five should be open, that's weird. Let's go back down. Sorry about that, guys. I like how it has exterior indicators on every floor. This is cool. Look at this. Beautiful. One. Here's your COP Mad BS Classic buttons with an 88 phone and a 2,100 pound capacity. Very nice cab, got a big boy watching. I can't tell if this one was a mod or not actually. This one may have been an add-on. We're at 1. Button goes out. These run very nice. There it goes, and that'll be it.